Hi, welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, August 11th, 2023. My name is Giovanni Benecourt, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. All right, so we're looking at the NASDAQ. Yesterday we saw how the market reacted to that better than expected CPI number. It came at 3.7 versus 3.08. But the inflation rate, the headline inflation rate, is the one that really is catching the eye of the Fed. Still far away from the 2%, that's 3.2% for August. So that could obviously keep the pressure on the Fed to continue hiking rates. But as for the markets today, we are seeing how the Nasdaq has opened with a small gap down. Okay, and that has been closed, so that the continuation or the market most likely will continue to be as no sell off, having it's a Friday. Most likely will have a day, a red day. So keep that in mind. Perhaps down to 15,100, 15,000 being the psychological support level for it for the Nasdaq. Then we have the S&P. So 4,400 is where a lot of people are talking about. Really, they can see the S&P trading at, but initially I have my support at 4460. So also the S&P has a gap down. It has been closed, so the direction or the continuation of the market moving lower is highly speculated. So then we have the Dow Jones, also with a small gap down. So let's see if that will continue. However, crude oil, it did fluctuated lower in the session today in the morning, but now it has recuperated and is trading north of 83. Let's see if that will continue. It will stay 84. Will be really that resistance, or it could be long but short-lived. Nat Gas also is trading, looking to recuperate that big sell-off yesterday. Then we have gold that is also it bounced off that 1910, almost close to it, and is looking to recuperate itself. 1930 will be my target. Then we have silver, also a small gap up, but it has been close. So I don't. Let's see if this could probably just bring some sharpness and just some lateral movement. Then we have copper that is continue to sell off. So 365 could be that target. Then we have Bitcoin that's also just very narrow trading, very low volume, so I'm out of it. Then we have the currencies. The euro is looking to recuperate itself, stay north of 110. Okay, and as also this as well the pound. See if we come back to 128, and that could be helped if the dollar index happens to drop towards the 102, 101.5. Those things will happen. If not, if it just stays here and idling, most likely we'll also see a lower volume in those assets. All right, so that's it for me today. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you on Monday.